Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can resolve this error. vbox user is not in the sudoers file. This incident will be reported. For that, guys, we have to run simple commands to make sure this issue doesn't exist or this error is not coming when you are trying to use a sudo user, trying to install something. This error should not come up. For that, guys, now just try su root. It will ask you for the password. Just add the password which you have entered before. Click on enter now. So as soon as you click on enter, it will ask you root at the rate Ubuntu. Now you can even see who am I. It will show you you are the root user. Also, you add this command apt get install sudo. So sudo will already be installed usually, but still it doesn't make harm for you to install it again. -y. So now it will check whether it is installing everything. So yeah, it is automatically installed. It's saying all the package lists are done. Now guys, add user vbox user as sudo. Now this will try to add the vbox user as a sudo. See, now it has already added into a sudo vbox user. To make the changes proper, you have to or power off your virtual machine. For that, guys, click on machine, click on shutdown. You can restart it or you can shut down. You can switch off the VMware again. Now I'm switching off the VMware. Now machine is starting now. vbox user, I'm trying to sign in. So as soon as I sign in, click on the left bottom 9 dots to applications. Click type terminal here. So it will open the terminal here. Now check the same thing which you have checked previously. Type the same command. So once you type that, you should never get the issue. Sudo su, it will ask you for the password. Enter the same password. See, the same issue has not occurred. Same issue has not occurred. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.